Hi gorgeous beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I wanted to do an unboxing with you with this beautiful Impressions Hello Kitty 6-piece brush gift set. And it says the brushes are also vegan, which is so awesome. I love cruelty-free stuff. Go Impressions. The box has really pretty little bows and Hello Kitty's head embedded right here. Just too darling. The packaging's really pretty. I don't even want to open her, but then I do. So I'm going to put her on top of my cute little beauty stuff. So it comes with the tapered powder brush, an angled brush, blending brush, defined eyeshadow brush, and a defined concealer brush, and an angled liner brush. So wow. I know they're good quality at that too. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So beautiful. Here's the top. Okay, so let's do this together, shall we, beauties? Cute bunch of Hello Kitty heads here on top, which is really cool. This way. And everything's coming off like a little top. Really easy to get out. That wasn't too bad, and you didn't need your scissors or anything. Oh, look how cute she is, beauties. Check her out close up. Look at her pretty little bow. She comes in this clear, pretty container. She's all baby pink. She is just so darling in her little outfit. This is so cute. I absolutely love this. There is another one that has little sponges inside, little makeup sponges. Here's the bottom. That was such a cutie. I love this so much. I'm going to take the plastic off and we'll look at the quality of the Impressions brushes. But what a little pretty thing to have, you know, in your beauty collection, in your beauty room. I love it. Thank you so much, Bella. I appreciate you. Okay, beauties, the plastic's off. It's a really nice acrylic. She is so cute. Look at her face, her little whiskers, eyes and nose, her beautiful bow. So cute. I love it. Okay, so the head just pops off easily. So you just take it off like that, and the brushes are so beautiful. They look great quality. They're so soft. Nothing is shedding out. Beautiful. Beauties, look at the brushes. On the handles, it has Hello Kitty's head with a pink bow. These are so cute. It says Impressions on it. And the quality of the bristles are just so beautiful and so soft. But look at that. These are gorgeous. I love them. And just put them back into your little case. Put the top on. And you're ready to go. You can travel with these and everything. So beautiful. I'm in love. Okay, let's put the brushes back. So you just stick them in the little thing. Really cute. I love its little home. Truly cute, cute, cute. And the little brush. Then you just pop the little top on. Push down, and she's all ready to go. What do you beauties think? Oh, too cute. Okay, let's move on to some other little goodies I got inside of my bag. Okay, gorgeous beauties, I want to show you the few things that I picked up from the swap meet. So the first thing was my Beauty Creations combo lippy in Wine About It. One of my favorite, goes on the smoothest. Beauty Creations lip liners are 100% the best lip liners to use. Then I got the Beauty Creation Full Coverage Concealer Flawless Stay. Secretly concealed and visibly flawless. Period. Okay, and then I went and picked up this gorgeous Hello Kitty highlighter. Look at that. It's a highlighter blush. Absolutely beautiful. And the packaging is so, so, so cute. Okay, and then I got the purse keychain. She's so colorful, blingy. Look at her little tutu dress. And then gold hardware keychain. Okay, and then I picked up my favorite Beauty Creations lippy in like a beautiful bubblegum color. It's my all-time favorite. Then I wanted to try out this Creme Shop Hello Kitty lippy. Let's see if I can get it out for you. And it's in berry gummy flavor, like a gummy bear flavor. Oh, wow. The packaging is so pretty. How gorgeous that is. Creme Shop. A raspberry, pretty, glittery color. And the top is so cute. I love that. Okay. And then I got a Favorite Beauty setting powder. These are my favorite. They conceal so good when you, and like your stuff doesn't crease or anything. I just love, this is my cherry on top all the time. This is a go-to. Favorite Beauty. And then I got this cutie. She's in raspberry. And it's a blush. Kind of looks like one of those hair waxes that I use, but this is an actual blush. And then, of course, I had to pick up my Fix Plus Rose Barbie Girl Setting Spray. Prep and Prime. And I got one for my daughter and I. And then I got this cute Skull and Bones little Hello Kitty for Halloween, so I could put her like on my decor and everything. She's so cute and kind of emo looking with her little stripes. Adorbs. And beauties, I almost forgot my favorite gorgeous Sweet Glow palette. Go ahead and appreciate the beautiful packaging. I just love it. Beauty Creations is so fabulous. I just love all their packaging, all their products. I highly recommend them. I'm not sponsored, by the way. I totally wish I was, though. This is the back. And it's cruelty-free. So let's open it up and take a look at my highlighter palette. Okay, this is what it looks like when I take it out. The container looks just like the box. So beautiful. And feast your eyes on this cotton candy sweetness. Gorgeous, pretty baby blue, baby pink. These are the highlighter shades. I love the huge mirror. One is called Sunday. The very left one is called Sunday. Middle one's Cotton Candy. And the last right one is called Cupcake. Oh my goodness. Love it, love it. Let me smell it. No, unfortunately, that would just be a little extra treat if it had a scent, but it doesn't. And then I love the huge mirror. So what a beautiful palette this is. I highly recommend it. Love it. I hope you beauties enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have the sweetest Saturday. Much love and hugs, beauties. Until next time, talk to you soon. Bye.
Taste that. I'm so fancy. You already know I'm in the fast lane. From LA to Tokyo. I'm so fancy. Can't you taste this gold? Remember my name. To blow. I said, baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I know you were invited. The only reason that this dress is skin tight is 'cause I thought that you would like it. I'm only gone for the secret of sights. Because I want you to like that. The only reason I can do tonight is because I